Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
हाय
हेलो
Hello.
हेलो
ऋतु ज्यादा पुरानी है,
चुप कर.
मैं तो नया हूँ।
अनॉयड तो ऐसा कोई मुझे करता नहीं है, बट मस्ती मस्ती तो है सबकी. सो आई वुड से मैं लोगों को अनॉय करता हूँ.
गोपाल सर है जो बहुत ही अनॉय करते हैं. काम 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 काम. But that's fine. That's him and I love him.
क्या ये सच में बोलना है? आई थिंक युवराज सर
सब विचित्र हैं, बिल्कुल है, सब विचित्र है।
Felt like any other space. It feels like you step into your home.
Akash sir, when somebody gets upset or when he thinks that somebody is upset, he's just going to come to you and be like, all good. That's all he does.
Eric sir. A big one actor.
Thank you.
एक्टिंग में ऑब्वियसली मेरे को ऋतु मैम की हंसी की एक्टिंग करनी है क्योंकि वो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से आती है और वो नॉनी की हंसी के साथ मिक्स होता है.
नॉनी का और ऋतु का सेम हंसी है। अरे कैमरे के पीछे आवाज आ रही है, ये वो उसी की हंसी है।
Let's stick all together and cheers to more and more years.
गोपाल सर फनीएस्ट एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट भी बोल सकते हो, यहीं पे ही हो रखा है मेरे साथ। सीआईएमए की क्लास में एक बार जब मैं यहाँ से गिर गई थी।
हो गया नेक्स्ट.
I remember the most important discussion amongst the whole company when the campus was being built was about the toilet. And I still remember that when we had to go to get the toilet seat, the entire company went to the ceramic store to select the toilet seats of the campus. So I think that was just hilarious. 15 of us standing around a commode selecting which one to have at our campus. That was quite hilarious.
Gopal is a drama queen because I know him since so many years. So I read him. So definitely he's great at what he's doing. But I know that under say he's a big drama queen. So yes, Gopal, you're a drama queen.
जनरली ऐसे होता है कि हम लोग एक दूसरे की हंसी बहुत ही इजीली मिमिक कर देते हैं, तो इसमें मैं ऋतु मैम की हंसी मिमिक कर सकती हूँ। तो वो थोड़ा ऐसे हंसी है। तो उनकी हंसी में बहुत सारे ऐसे ब्रेक्स होते हैं, तो जब भी वो हंसती है तो हम उसमें ऐसे ब्रेक ब्रेक करके हम लोग डांस करते हैं।
That's not just little controversial. I think बहुत ज़्यादा bombardment हो जाएगी अगर मैंने बता दिया मेरा favorite member कौन है. I think you all tease me a lot with that, but Akash is my favorite member.
शामें मलंग सी, रातें सुरंग सी, बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए. कल पे सवाल है, जीना फिलहाल है, खाना बदोशियों पे ही जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा.
The moment जो मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा यादगार रहेगा अभी तक भी है, and I still get goosebumps when I think about it, was that when the campus freshly got built and we had this improvisation class that I was taking, and the Derriere studio, the biggest studio and the last studio at the campus, just got inaugurated, and we had an improvisation class, and me and Ritu we were moving in that improvisation class, specifically Ritu, because she has designed the whole campus. So we were moving, and we were just, while improvising, we were just kind of touching the walls of the campus and, you know, caressing the every nuance of the campus walls. And that was just such a personal moment that still, you know, excites me when I think about it, that so close a thing can be to a person and to a dancer. Yeah.
मतलब एक word नहीं है मेरे पास.
I don't think Gopal is also comfortable talking about this with people, but I think I can share it right now. There was a time when we and Gopal really cut off from each other, where we didn't speak that much to each other. And not just because we were busy, but there were some differences, and we didn't know what were those differences. But it just we went poles apart, and then we came back, and till now we've not even spoken about it. So the beauty about that whole equation, that, you know, we don't have to explain or something like that. Until now, even I don't know the reasons of it, but we went poles apart for, I think, good 6 years, and then now we are back together, working together, making things happen. So yeah, that is one thing I can now proudly talk about, and we should talk about this, Gopal.
डांसिंग वो वर्ड सुन के ही मुझे ऐसा होता है कि वो इतना सारा फ्लैशबैक आ जाता है. मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 5 इयर्स होने आए हैं मेरे यहाँ पे. स्टूडेंट वाला फेज अलग था, जब न्यू जॉइनी जब मैं यहाँ पे थी वो वाला फेज अलग था, और अब जब मैं सीनियर कंपनी में हूँ उसके भी 2 साल हो गए, तो वो फेज अलग है. सो आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस इन डांसिंग एंड एज वेल इन मी ऑल्सो.
वेरी नर्वस, पता ही नहीं चला कब 10 साल खत्म हो गए.
As far as I've known, just keep doing what you're doing, man.